First of all, you just log in your TP-Link C60 Wi-Fi router using default IP, which is 192.168.0.1 or TP-Link wifi.net. Let's see. Here you can see the default IP. Just type on any browser and press enter and type here a new password for security purpose. I'm just giving a password. This password will used for login. Next time login, then OK, then go to advanced. From this menu left side and click on operation mode. Here you can see two options, which is router mode and second one is access point mode. I just select access point mode, save, click on save and click on yes. After clicking yes, your router will be restarted. You just wait for this end session. After completed restarting, your router will give your previously put it password. I'm just giving it and click on login. Here you can see your wireless settings 2.4G and 5G. I will give a name for 2.5 4G and 5G wireless. You can choose your name whatever you want. I'm just giving a name. I will use same name for two wireless SSID and click on next. After clicking and click on save, and then your router saving all settings. After saved, then new dashboard will be appeared and click on wireless button and expand it and click on wireless settings. From this window you just click on security and select no security and click on 5G from here and click on security option and select no security, then saved. That's it. You can choose, you can select and you can recheck. Click on status. Here you can see the DSCP will be selected for smart DSCP. Just scroll down it. Here you can see connection type will be smart DSCP. If this select it, then your router completed setup. Then you can log out and use it for a access point. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.